My mom forced me to see what's inside her purse. I know I'm gonna regret this. Alright, so it's already a big mess. What even is that? What? Why is there a flower inside? It doesn't even close properly. Alright, what's that? So, a pen? Why do you need a... Why is it so glittery? Why do you need a pen? Why do you have so... Honey peach? Moisturizing, okay, I guess. No, I don't even know what this is. Oh, a marker, yeah. Another pen. Because why not? The more the better, I guess. And I don't know what this is. It's a pen lipstick, I guess. I don't know. What else? Another one? Why do you even need two? Another pen. Okay, great. I don't know if she's going to school or if she's just going out. Some lip balm. Some random Korean product. Another lip balm. A pocket towel. Why do you even need this? Another one of these weird thing. What even are they? No, what else? Another marker? I don't know. I think she's having an exam or something. And another pen. This is basically all pen. And a book, which I'm pretty sure the character is named Melody. That's why she has it, I guess. Some Sakura post-it. Another towel for I don't know what reason. And wow, I think she's going to school. She's not going out, she's going to school. I'm convinced. Alright, that's it.